Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow extensions in private or incognito window in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your PC and then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select here extensions and then again select this one extensions. On the right sidebar, you will see all the extensions that are installed on your Opera browser. Under extensions, you will find this one option, allow in incognito. In case you don't find this one option, allow in incognito under any extension, click on this one details button. On, on the right, you will find this one option, allow in incognito. Just turn on this one toggle switch. This will allow that particular extension in incognito window of Opera browser.